is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is handwriting book, page number 27 to 29. That means 27, 28 and 29. So let's start our class. Look at the board and check the textbook. This is page number 27, and this page, in this page we get three words that starts with T. So at first, look at the picture. This is the picture of a top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Now the next picture, this is the picture of tree. T-R-E, tree. T-R-E, tree. T-R-E, tree. Then T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Now the next page, page number 28. Here we can find three words with U. At first, look at the picture. This is the picture of an umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Now this is the picture of uniform. U-N-I, uni. F-O-R-M, form, uniform. U-N-I, F-O-R-M, uniform. U-N-I, uni. F-O-R-M, form, uniform. Now this is utensil. U-T-E-N-S-I-L, utensil. U-T-E-N-S-I-L, utensil. U-T-E-N-10-S-I-L, utensil. Now go to the next page, and this is the last page for today, and this is page number 29. So here we find three words that starts with V. This is the picture of a van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Now this is the picture of a bus. V-A-S-E, bus. V-A-S-E, bus. V-A-S-E, bus. And this is village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. And students, you can also write here this verse. Okay, and students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.